Brings me that.
30 hertz straight up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janai and I'm back again with another video. So today we're gonna be doing like a snake skin. I don't know, like one of them snake sets that you guys be seeing on Instagram. And I'm gonna show you step by step how I achieved this type of look. So first I'm pretty much removing the shine from the natural nail plate, applying the tip and all of that, and then here I'm just blending the nail tip to nail bed. And I'm making sure that all of the nail tip is blended, so you don't want none of the nail tip sticking out when you go to apply your acrylic. Then I'm going to remove the shine from the actual nail tip. It's just easier for me to shape with, so it's easier to see. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. So I'm pretty much going to let you guys be, and I'm going to come back later on and I'm going to get into the tutorial.
Buddha.
So first I just want to say no, my nails are not dirty. It is the colored powder that I had to make. So yeah, so if you see like the brown all in my fingers, it's because of the acrylic powder. So here I'm just pretty much laying my first bead. I want it more on the drier side so it's easy to mold, and I'm just going to pretty much mold it into that smile line that I want. Then I'm going to gradually build up and apply acrylic all the way up into the cuticle so everything's fine. So pretty much we're going to go back and file it when it dries to make it more crisp and sharp. But for right now, I just want to get it as close to that French tip look as I possibly can. So here, as you can see, the bead wasn't as dry and it was a little bit runny. So I'm just pretty much just bringing all the acrylic back together and recreating that smile line that I like. But as you can see, also the acrylic is starting to dry. So I have to pretty much work harder and quicker so it just pretty much doesn't dry up on me. So I just get a little bit more monomer to try and like ease the acrylic. So then I'm just going to pretty much keep applying acrylic all the way up into the cuticle and bringing all the acrylic down. Also, you want to make sure that the acrylic is pretty much thick enough to where when you apply that next color that you're going to create the French tip look with, it needs to be able to have an area to where you can file it. It's hard to explain right now, but it just needs to be thick enough. So when you drill it off, you're not drilling off like everything. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Ángel la ciencia.
So here I'm applying the color that I chose to be the French tip. Well, I didn't choose it, she chose it. But yeah, this is the color that we pretty much chose. I made it out of, I don't know, I think it was chalk or something like that. But yeah, if you guys want another video of how to make your own acrylic colors, just let me know and I'll let you know. So pretty much I'm just applying the base color. I'm applying it neatly but kind of messily. Like I said, you wanted the color to be kind of thick, so you see like the indent from where the nude cuts off. You pretty much want that to be there, so when you apply the color and you go to drill it, you're drilling away at acrylic and not drilling down to the nail tip because it's so thin. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna let you guys be again and just come back at the end of this tutorial. So here I'm going and I'm removing off all of the excess acrylic on the nude, and I'm using my drill bits. I don't know, I think I got these drill bits from Amazon. I'm gonna leave it in the comments below. But yeah, so I'm pretty much just drilling off all the way until I know like I got that crisp look. And yeah, it's pretty much simple. You just drill until you get that smile line. So here I'm using my cone drill bit, which also came in that drill bit set from Amazon. I pretty much skipped through this because I do not get any good video footage of what I was doing because my hand was in the way the whole time. So I'm pretty much going to speed through it. If you guys want a tutorial on how to properly seal the cuticles, just let me know. So here I'm buffing. You want to make sure you thoroughly buff. You see I'm buffing and pieces are like coming off. So you just want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth for you to apply the polish. So here I just apply the polish, and I'm just pretty much doing it in the pattern of the snake print thing. Yeah, I pretty much just go in through all of the nails with that design, and then I'll come back in and pour some of the acrylic powder that I applied on the nail with. And then I'm going to cure it. You do not cure it before it goes into the lamp. You just put the powder on it, then you cure it. fault for not getting good footage. My hand was pretty much blocking the camera the whole time. But this is pretty much the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.